Okay, dear students, a very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are safe and healthy with your families at your places. And I think that you are preparing for yourself for your half yearly examination. So I think we still it is only my thinking. Reality, I really don't know what is it. Somehow I can say that you all are not taking your studies very seriously. You are taking it very granted. But I am only suggesting you that you should not do this ever. Okay, अभी schools नहीं खुल रहे, doesn't mean that school will never open. कभी नहीं खुलेगा ऐसा नहीं है. So why are you making yourself very ideal? क्यों इतना वो बन रहे हैं आलसी? क्यों नहीं करना है कुछ? प्रिटेंड मत करिए, अपनी पढ़ाई पे कॉन्सेंट्रेट करिए. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. आई वाज डीलिंग विद चैप्टर नंबर 8 फ्रॉम योर बुक Harold or Hornbill, and I told you the Harold is a hornbill, a bird. Okay, let's start. Harold had a simple outlook, and once he had got over some early attack of, we have done with this now. We soon dispensed with the enclosure, but Harold made no of effort to go away. So very soon, after some days of his arrival, we did not apply enclosure of it. Means we didn't look on it, we didn't stare, और हमने कोई उस पर नज़र नहीं रखी हुई थी. But Harold made no effort to go away. Harold didn't want to go from there. He didn't take any effort to flee from here or go from here, run away from here. Okay, he had difficulty flying. In fact, he asserted his tenancy rights at least as far as the veranda was concerned. So tenancy right means right of using a place like a tenant. He was not able to fly properly. Why? Because his wings were injured. Some part of his wings were not with him. That's why he was not able to fly properly, and he was thinking that the veranda was the suitable place for him. So he didn't try any effort to go away from there. Sorry. One afternoon, a veranda tea party was suddenly and alarmingly convulsed by a flash of black and white and noisy flapping. So the one day's afternoon, veranda tea party means veranda, everything was veranda, everyone was, and it was suddenly and alarming convulsed. Convulsed means disturbed by a flash of black and white and noisy flapping. There was something which was very disturbing. And behold, the last and only loaf of bread had been seized by Harold and carried off to his perch near the ceiling. Harold was not beautiful by Hollywood standards. He had a small body and a large head, but he was good natured and friendly. So there was in veranda, there was a flapping voice was coming very reddishly, very, we can say very rapidly. It was coming to them, and it was not pleasant voice. Okay, the voice which make others disturb, it kind of voice was coming from there. Harold was not beautiful. His body structure was not so beautiful by Hollywood standard. It was not looking मतलब in उनके हॉलीवुड के स्टैंडर्ड के मैटर में वो बिल्कुल भी खूबसूरत नहीं था. ही हैड अ स्मॉल बॉडी. Harold had a small body and large head. Means his body was very small, but his head was very large. But he was good natured and friendly. But his nature was very good, and he has a friendly nature. And he remained on good terms with most members of the household during his lifetime of 12 years. So he remained on good terms. He completed or he connected with good terms to others most members of the household during his lifetime. Means he lived only for 12 years, and full of his life he never tried to hurt anyone else. Harold's best friend were those who fed him. Who were Harold's best friend? Both, means grandfather and I means the writer. Okay, and he was willing even to share his food with us. He was very excited to share his food with us, with me and with my grandfather. Sometimes trying to feed me with his great beak. Oh my god. Sometimes that hornbill tried to feed that boy, means that the writer when he was a boy, and by his great beak, अपनी बेक से अपनी चोंच से वो उसको खिलाना चाहता. While I turned down his offers of beetles and similar delicacies, I did occasionally share a banana with him. But I didn't follow or didn't share lots of things with him. I shared only banana with him. While I turned down his offers of Okay. Eating was a serious business for Harold. Harold took eating very seriously. Harold का खाना उसके लिए बहुत serious होता था. And if there was any delay at meal time, he would summon me with raucous barks and vigorous bangs of his bill on the woodwork or the kitchen window. If he did not get his lunch or meal at the proper time, he started shouting very loudly, very roughly. He started calling me, means the writer, okay, from the kitchen window. Harold gave much time and thought to his personal appearance. Harold gave much time, and Harold was free and he gave much time and thought to his personal appearance. He was thinking about his personal appearance, about his look. He carried a rough pot on his person and used it very skillfully as an item of his morning toilet. He carried, means Harold carried a rough pot, a worst or not a good condition pot he was using as his toilet purpose. Okay, this rough pot was a small gland situated above the roots of his tail. Okay, बना हुआ तो कहीं दिखाया नहीं है ना. Okay, so he that pot is very small gland and it was situated the roots of his tail. feather मतलब जो इसकी पूंछ का feather था उस पे इसको लगाया गया था. It produced a rich yellow fluid. ये जो प्रोड्यूस करते थे भाई साहब, वो पॉटी करते थे डार्क कलर की, डार्क येलो कलर की. Harold would dip into his rough pot from time to time and then rub the color over his feather and the back of his neck. It would come off my hands whenever I touched him. Fluid, okay. आप लिक्विड में ले लीजिए इसको, ठीक है. तो ये क्या करते थे, जो ये अपना जो गंदगी थी उसको भी अपना सर उसमें लगाते थे और फिर पूरे शरीर पे अपने लगा लेते थे. When writer touched him, he felt that thing in his hand. Harold would toy with anything bright or glittering, often swallowing it. Afterward, he loved bananas and dates and balls of boiled rice. Okay. So Harold would toy with anything. Toy with anything means play with anything. He did not need any perfect or personal thing to play with. He can enjoy with everything. Okay. He loved bananas and dates. क्या कहते हैं हिंदी में उसको, ड्राई फ्रूट होता है. I'll tell you. And balls of boiled rice. उबले हुए चावल की balls खाना उसे बहुत पसंद था. I would throw him the rice balls and he would catch them in his beak. I throw rice balls towards him and he catch it through the beak of his. Okay. toss them in the air and let them drop into his open mouth. And he उसको उछाल देता था. Toss them, okay, toss them into air, and then he came back to his mouth. Exactly. He perfected this trick of catching things. He was perfect in catching things, okay. And in time I taught him to catch a tennis ball thrown with some force from a distance of 15 yards. So finally I taught him to catch a tennis ball which I will throw towards him from the distance of 15 yards. Although Harold never seemed to drink any water, he loved the rain. Although Harold never seemed to drink, I have never seen that Harold get a drop of water ever, but he loved rain. We always knew when it was going to rain because Harold would start chuckling to himself about an hour before the first raindrop fell. वो क्या करता था, अपने आप को भिगा कर अपने he started getting pleasure from the drop of rain. This used to irritate Auntie Ruby, but the Harold's activity is not getting positively by Ruby Auntie. She does not or did not like it. She was always being caught in the rain. Harold would be chuckling when she left the house, and when she returned drenched to the skin, he would be in fits of laughter. Okay, Auntie Ruby always went into rain and he went from there. Harold was there and chuckling himself. Then when she returned from drenched skin, he would be in fits of laughter. He started uncontrolled laughter. Okay, as storm clouds would gather and gust of wind would shake the banana tree. जब बरसात आने वाली होती है उससे पहले जो हवा चलती है उससे बनाना की जो ट्री है वो पूरी तरह से शेक यानी कि हिल जाते थे. Harold would get very excited and his chuckle would change to an airy whistle. और उसकी चू 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 करना जो थी वो किसमें, एक सीटी में बदल जाती थी जब वो बनाने के पेड़ को झूमते हुए देखता था. वी he would scream. And then as the first drop of rain hit the veranda step and the scent of the fresh earth passed through the house, he would start roaring with pleasure. When the first drop touched the ground of veranda, the very beautiful smell came out and he became very happy and enjoying it with the pleasure. The wind would carry the rain into the veranda and Harold would spread out his wings and dance. The wind carried the rain into the veranda. Through the window, the raindrops came into the veranda and he spread his wings and started dancing over there, trembling about like a circus clown. And he was looking like he was somehow shaking his body like that he was a clone of a circus. Clone कौन होता है? Joker. Okay. My grandparents and I would come out on the veranda and share his happiness. We all came there to share his happiness. Many years later, I still miss Harold's raucous bark and the banging of his great wheel. If there is a heaven for good hornbill, I sincerely hope he is getting all the summer showers he could wish for and plenty of tennis balls to catch. Finally, Harold has passed out. He is no more, and he is wishing that whatever he wanted in his life, maybe God is providing everything to him. Maybe he is getting plenty of tennis balls to catch. So we have done with this chapter, and a written work of related chapter I will provide you through PDFs. So no need to worry about it. I hope you enjoyed this chapter because it's a good chapter. So here I am leaving your class and we will meet again in my next session. So till then, take care of yourself, be happy, be safe, good luck.